If you want to know what it takes to sew a top like this and you're a beginner, I'll tell you. So first off, you're gonna probably want to set aside like an hour or two just to put together the pattern. This was a digital PDF, and so I had to tape it all together and then cut it out. The only adjustment I made to the pattern was making the bell sleeves a little less belly. Then you're gonna put the pieces on your fabric in a way that makes the most sense and creates the least amount of scrap material. Yeah, I struggled because my fabric was from a yard sale, and so it was already a very specific length, but I made it work. Don't come at me for that diagonal piece. We made it work. And then you're gonna start pinning the pieces all together to create like the basic shape of the top. I did a zigzag stitch to prevent fraying because I don't have a serger. I put on some TV and I began pinning the front of the shirt to the back of the shirt. And it's just gonna be one straight shot of sewing the side and the sleeves. And then you're gonna attach the ties and the collar to the top. And you need a tube turner for the ties, but I found out that if you don't have one, you can just use a sturdy straw and a straw cleaner, or a straw and a chopstick. And so, yeah, this worked just fine for me. After, you're gonna add a binding, which is just a thin piece of fabric to seal all of the raw edges, and of course, hem the sleeves and the bottom of the top. This was a multi-day project and took about 12 hours.